How to fix unsupported video file format in KineMaster. Now, in order to fix this issue, you need to download any of the application from either your Play Store or App Store to convert the video to the file format which KineMaster supports. For example, just simply go to the App Store and search for video converter. Then a lot of apps will appear in here. I am going to use this video compressor and converter app from here. Just simply tap to open after installing and then this page will appear. Now in here you just simply need to tap to this convert video option and select the video which you would like to convert. Then tap to next button. Now after coming in here, you just simply need to select the video format which KineMaster supports. For example, KineMaster supports MP4. Select the MP4 option and tap to convert video and tap to start, and the video will be converted to the format which KineMaster supports. Then you can easily edit the video by using KineMaster. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.